Not sure which Gold IRA company to trust? Learning how to read customer reviews can help you make a confident choice. Many investors feel uncertain about choosing a Gold IRA provider without hearing from real customers first. That's why learning how to use reviews is so important. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will find customer testimonials that illustrate this approach. For example, some clients share their experiences with service quality, communication, and support during the Gold IRA process. These examples show how detailed feedback can reveal a company's reliability. It's important to note that this guide comes from Augusta, so these are examples from the company itself. But the key takeaway isn't about choosing Augusta specifically. It's about learning what to look for in any Gold IRA provider's reviews. For instance, you might notice patterns like how quickly a company responds to questions, how clearly they explain the process, whether customers felt supported and informed. Alongside testimonials, the guide references ratings on independent sites like BBB, TrustLink, Google, and Facebook. This shows how combining customer reviews and professional ratings can help you evaluate any provider's trustworthiness. This guide is part of a free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle that's 8 PDFs in total, designed to give beginners clear, actionable insights. I've linked this one in the description so you can see how customer reviews can guide your decision making. By following these steps, you can confidently analyze reviews and ratings, helping you find a Gold IRA provider you can rely on no matter the company. To get the full picture, download the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward with clarity on how to choose a reliable Gold IRA provider. The link's in the description.